Dear friends and family, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully things are fine. This is Jahid once again before you. Okay, I am coming here in front of you about English speaking skill. My dear audience, this is my 7th video about this topic. Okay, now I am discussing about adjective. My dear audience, you can ask me what is adjective? Answer is adjective is nothing but a word. It can give the extra information about noun or pronoun. My dear audience, suppose I am a boy, she is a girl, I am Jahid. Okay? If we want to modify these nouns, that time we can use adjective. Like I am a good boy. She is a bad girl. Like this. I am a rich man. I am a poor man. Okay. Sakib is a talented boy. Here, these are adjective. Good, bad, poor, rich, honest, dishonest, high, low, long, large. Okay. Big, small. My dear audience, actually, there are many important adjectives. Actually, I am discussing here very much important adjectives which are generally we use in our daily English language. Okay? Big, small, good, bad, honest, dishonest, high, low, long, large. Okay? All other, young, enough, able to, next. Okay, on, any, many, more, much, different, even, fast, last, just. These are also adjective. Black, white, dark, light. Okay, yellow, green, blue. These are also adjective. My dear audience, except these adjectives, there are two types of others adjective, and these are verb plus ing connected adjective and v3, I mean past participle adjective. Like this is a news. Okay, this is a news. If we want to modify this news, then we can say running news. Okay, running news. This running here adjective. Okay, broken chair. Broken chair. Here broken is adjective. Okay, or breaking news, or here breaking is adjective. Breaking. My dear audience, in Bangla, breaking news means taja khobor. Broken chair means bhanga chair. Okay, now I am discussing about some very much important sentences which are very much important for daily use. আমি যেতে পারি, সে যেতে পারে, তারা যেতে পারে। Okay, এই জাতীয় কথা. This type of speech, how we can express like this. I can go, she can go, he can go, Karim can go, Jabbar can go. Okay, here can is modal verbs. My dear audience, can is modal verb. Okay, could, পারতাম, okay, or পারতো এরকম বোঝায়। My dear audience, she could go, সে যেতে পারতো, he could go, সে যেতে পারতো, পুরুষ মহিলা। Okay, now আমি যেতে পারবো, I will be able to go, আমি যেতে পারবো না, I won't be able to go, আমি কি যেতে পারবো, will I be able to go? Like this way you can practice. My dear audience, I could go, I couldn't go, could I go, couldn't I go? Like this way you can practice. আমি যেতে পারতাম, আমি যেতে পারতাম না, আমি কি যেতে পারতাম, আমি কি যেতে পারতাম না। Like this way, I could go, I couldn't go, could I go, couldn't I go? How could I go, আমি কিভাবে যেতে পারতাম। when could I go, আমি কখন যেতে পারতাম। Okay, like this way you can practice. My dear audience, I think you got my point. If you do not got my point, then watch my video again. This is my request. I do not want to make this video more longer. I will come very soon with my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, be smile. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.